try to block the wind. Happy Sunday. Jackie and I are at the beach, and we were going to go and eat at Neptune's Net, but there were a million people there, so we had to leave. We parked, got out, saw how many people there were, decided we weren't that hungry because it wasn't worth the wait, and we came to the beach. Hopefully.
Yeah, as I said, it's not worth waiting 40 minutes for fries and some flounder.
Yeah, it's not. We'll just go and get fish from somewhere else along our journey. We were going to go to Leo Carrillo, but also a million people there, so we decided to bail on that. And I forget what this beach is called, but it's very nice, very secluded. As you can see, there's just some surfers in the water, but other than that, really nobody here.
There's a cute little boat out there.
The zoom on this camera is the slowest thing in the world. Hello. Maybe they'll catch a wave for us. But yeah, I want to see if there's any tide pools over here. Let's see if we can find any. Vlogception. It sounds so pretty, the trickling water. I thought I'd lost Jackie, but she's over there.